Tired of the same old smartphone experience? Craving innovation that pushes the boundaries? Then buckle up, because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to blow your mind. We're talking groundbreaking camera technology that captures reality in stunning detail, a processor so powerful it can handle anything you throw at it, and a display that's so immersive you'll forget you're even holding a phone. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, exploring its cutting-edge features, stunning design, and the incredible user experience that sets it apart from the competition. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography aficionado, or simply someone who demands the best, this is a video you won't want to miss. Get ready to be amazed by the future of smartphones with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Design and build quality. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra refines the premium design of the S24 Ultra, introducing a lighter yet more durable frame thanks to a next-gen alloy. The bezels are slimmer, and the edges are more ergonomic for a better grip. While both models feature a sleek glass back, the S25 Ultra includes a matte finish to reduce smudges, giving it a polished, modern aesthetic. Camera innovations. Building on the S24 Ultra's impressive camera system, the S25 Ultra introduces a groundbreaking 250MP main sensor, delivering unmatched detail in photos. Low-light photography has improved further with an upgraded nightography mode and AI-driven enhancements. The zoom capabilities, while already exceptional in the S24 Ultra, now offer even more clarity at higher magnifications in the S25 Ultra, making it a leader in mobile photography. Performance and processing power. The Galaxy S25 Ultra debuts the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon Gen 4, depending on the region, providing a noticeable leap in speed and efficiency over the S24 Ultra's chipset. Multitasking feels smoother, and graphics performance for gaming or productivity apps is more robust. Its improved thermal management ensures consistent performance during extended usage, surpassing its predecessor. Battery life and charging. With a slightly larger 5,500 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra offers extended usage compared to the S24 Ultra's 5,000 mAh. Samsung has also enhanced its fast charging capabilities, supporting up to 65W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. This improvement ensures shorter charging times while providing all-day power for intensive users. Display and visual experience. The S25 Ultra retains the 6.8-inch AMOLED display but upgrades it with a 2500 nit peak brightness, making it even more vibrant and readable in bright sunlight compared to the S24 Ultra. The refresh rate remains at 120 Hz, but adaptive adjustments are now faster, improving smoothness during scrolling and gaming. Colors appear richer, with enhanced HDR support for a superior viewing experience. Software and ecosystem integration. Launching with One UI 6.5 on Android 15, the S25 Ultra introduces more seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. It features enhanced device connectivity, allowing quicker syncing with Galaxy Watches, Buds, and Tabs. Compared to the S24 Ultra, the software feels more refined, offering intuitive multitasking and better customization for both casual users and productivity enthusiasts. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a true testament to innovation and a smartphone that redefines the mobile experience. With its revolutionary camera system, unrivaled performance, and stunning display, the S25 Ultra is a device that truly pushes the boundaries of what's possible. If you're in the market for a new smartphone and want the absolute best, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a serious contender. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. And as always, thanks for watching.